A ChatGPT Prompts Bundle, AI Profits Maker. Launch offer price $12.95 only, 20,000 ChatGPT prompt plus 2 bonuses. Unlock over 20,000 meticulously researched ChatGPT prompts to turbocharge your business productivity today. No copywriting skills. Copy and paste. Get instant results. Access 20,000 plus high-quality hand-picked ChatGPT prompts. It comes with unrestricted private label rights. It works in 50 plus most trending niches. Resell 20,000 plus ChatGPT prompts and make unlimited profits. Keep 100% in profit on each single sale. Start your digital selling product business today. Become a product creator without any investment. Best for content creator and internet marketers. Boosting creativity and inspiration. Saving time and effort in brainstorming ideas. Improving overall writing quality and productivity. Enhancing writers' confidence and success rate. Instant download and access in just one click. Grab ChatGPT Prompts Bundle and save $180. Usually $197. Today one-time $12.95 only. ChatGPT Prompts Bundle works in 3 simple steps. Step number 1, access. Click on any of button and get access ChatGPT Prompts Bundle over ready to use 50,000 plus ChatGPT prompts. Step number 2, copy well-researched ChatGPT prompt from huge library of prompts in any niche you want for your business. Step number 3, paste and result. Paste well-researched prompts on ChatGPT chatbot and generate high-engaging content for your business. The bundle covers below P categories: social media marketing, email marketing, blogging, ebook writing and online course creation, copywriting, print on demand, passive income, fitness and real estate, Amazon, Etsy, eBay success, YouTube automation, small business tips, writing and storytelling prompts, real estate for professionals, podcast success, psychology, Facebook, education, and many more. Are you struggling to get results with ChatGPT? Feeling drained by the sight of an empty page? Wrestling with the elusiveness of inspiration for your upcoming writing venture? Does it seem like your creativity keeps hitting a dead end, leaving you feeling frustrated and yearning for that elusive spark to reignite your imagination? If so, then it's time to harness the power of ChatGPT prompts. Below are the common challenges you face while generating creative ChatGPT prompts include writer block, lack of inspiration, time constraints, difficulty in brainstorming. Are you looking to elevate your writing to the next level? Do you want to save time and boost your creativity? Look no further than the ChatGPT Prompts Bundle, the ultimate tool for writers, students, and professionals alike. Addressing your biggest pain points, writer's block. With the ChatGPT Prompts Bundle, the possibilities are limitless. Whether you need help brainstorming ideas, fleshing out characters, or crafting captivating storylines, our revolutionary AI technology is here to assist you every step of the way. Say goodbye to staring at blank pages. Get ready to dive into a world of imagination and endless possibilities. We understand the challenges you face. Writer's block, lack of inspiration, and time constraints can hinder your creativity and productivity. The ChatGPT Prompts Bundle is designed to overcome these obstacles, helping you unleash your full potential and achieve exceptional results. Unlocking boundless creativity. The power of efficiency. Stand out from the crowd. Are you ready to elevate your business to next level? Don't miss out on the countless opportunities the ChatGPT Prompts Bundle offers. Elevate your writing, exceed expectations, and unlock your true potential. Jump on it today and experience the revolution in writing technology. Ready to take your writing to new heights and power up your marketing content's creation? Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have discovered the power of the ChatGPT Prompts Bundle. Don't settle for ordinary. Unleash your extraordinary talent today. So, dear friend, if you want to buy these or want to know more, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.